Welcome to Rover YouTube channel. So today I am going to present you a Python mini project. So it is about URL shortener. So I'll explain you how to create URL shortener program using Python coding. So I use Visual Studio Code to create this mini project. I'll simply explain you the process of creating this one. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Then you need to open your Python Visual Studio Code and create a new file. Go to File and select New File. Then from this menu you have to select Python file and give a desired name. So I have created a new file and I named it as urlshorteners.py. So this is my pre-written code for this project. So I am going to copy and paste my code like this. So you see here, first part, you need to add or import two modules. Because I use Tinter to create user interface, therefore you need to import Tinter. As you know, if you have not installed Tinter, then you need to open command prompt, then type pip install Tinter, then enter, and it will install the computer. On the other hand, you need to import py shorteners module to make this project success. So basically you need to import these two modules so you can easily install them. So after that, this is the definition, or this is the function I have written in my URL shortener program. So I will include this code in my blog post, and I'll add my blog link and the video description so that you can get the code. So these are for the labels and text boxes of routine interface development, and this part is to create the button in a Tinker form. So this is the basic code you need to write to complete this mini project. So once everything is done, you need to run this code. To run this code, you need to add a terminal. Then click on the terminal, then select new terminal. Then you have a window like this. So then here I have installed my Python to E partition. So I access E. Then I want to go to install directory cd python. Then there I need to give the path for my project. Shorteners.py. Then press enter. Once you press enter, this kind of window opens. So this is my sample program. So here you need to enter your long URL, and after you copy and paste your long URL, then you need to click on this button. Then your long URL will convert into short URL. So here, for example, I have a long URL like this. Copy, then paste. Like this. So this is my long URL. So I want to make a short URL based on this lengthy URL. Then once you copy paste your longer URL, you need to click on this shorten URL button. Once you click on the shorten URL button, then you can see your lengthy URL has shortened to a few small line. Then let's see, copy my shorten URL works and it loads my blog site. So likewise, you can create your own URL shortening mini project by using Python. So this likewise, you can develop this program further. So that is it for today. If you have any question, if you need any explanation, please put a comment under the video comment section, then I can reply you soon. Okay, now let's stop this. Let's meet with another video like this. Thank you very much.